Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1011 of trying a new makeup product every day. So today I'm actually trying out a product that I got from the boxycharm charm room where you can basically redeem your points that you get on boxycharm. And I've been getting boxycharm for probably like a year now, and I just figured out how to earn free product from the charm room. And it's definitely not as great as the Ipsy free product point redemption in my opinion. I think it takes a long time and a lot of points and activity to build up on boxycharm to be able to get one product. So the product that I got here is the Beauty by Popsugar Make Me Blush Cheek Powder that I got in the shade Summer Lovin. So I think I had to redeem $30 worth of points to get this because this has a retail value of $30. But still, basically it's like a free product, so I'm excited about that. This does come in a few other shades, and you may have even been able to choose a different shade on the boxycharm charm room, but this is the bronzy shade. So even though it's a blush, I think this is going to be more of a bronzer for me. I like that there's a mirror here, but it looks glowy. Why don't I do a little swatch of sorts? Ooh. Ooh, yeah, pretty. It does have nice sheen. And I love a bronzy blush. Now that I swatched it, it does look more rosy, like it might just be a blush. We're gonna find out. But so this is also cruelty free, and it's made from natural powders like mica and silica to give that satin and pearlescent effect. So I'm gonna do what it says and take a soft blush brush, swirl it in, and then it says to dust it onto the cheeks in a circular motion. All right, this actually looks really nice. I'm going with a little bit more. My favorite blush at the moment is a very similar shade to this, except for it's in matte, and it's the Pixie by Petra Beach Rose blush. So it's like a bronzy blush, and I love it because if I'm not putting on bronzer, it still really gives that sun-kissed effect. And I feel like I'm getting that from this as well, but then also getting a little bit of glow. It's definitely not too sparkly or shiny at all. You can see like the tiniest little bit of like sparkle, but really it looks pretty natural. Like there is a little bit more glow and sheen to this cheek compared to without it, but I really like that. Oh, I'm so glad. So yeah, I think this is more of a blush, surprisingly, like more of a blush than a bronzer. So I will just focus this on my cheeks. But I am so pleasantly, I mean, not really surprised, but just like so happy with how this looks. Like this will definitely be a go-to daily blush for me, because I just love what that did for the skin. It gave me that natural, flush, healthy color to my cheeks, but it's also giving some sheen and glow to the skin. And then it's got a little bit of bronziness to make my skin not look too washed out. And I love that it's got the perfect amount of pigment. Like it's not too much, but it's buildable. And it looks super smooth, even on the skin, easy to blend. So wow, I clearly love this. This is such an awesome blush, and I'm so happy that this is the shade I ended up getting, because if I was just purchasing this product and I was choosing between the 4 shades that this comes in, I probably would not have chosen this bronze color because I would have thought it would be too dark for my skin or just look too brown, but I love this shade. However, I still think that this shade would look great on such a range of skin tones. But if you have a similar complexion, skin shade to me, I would recommend trying this out because it is super easy to wear and looks so natural and pretty. And I really love that this is basically a 3-in-1, such a time-saving product, because on days when I am rushing with my makeup, and even when I'm rushing with my makeup, I cannot skip blush. I just feel like I need it. But this is what I can reach for because it gives that glow of a highlight, it gives that sun-kissed effect and warmth to the skin of a bronzer, and it's that beautiful flush of color for a blush. So, very happy that I have this. If you have tried this, definitely let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.